Navigating the English Landscape, Split Infinitives. Hello, learners. Welcome to our journey through the vast and intricate world of English grammar. Today, we're going to be tackling an interesting and occasionally contentious topic: split infinitives. This is a common area of confusion for English language learners, so buckle up and let's dive right in. First off, let's clarify what we mean by an infinitive. In English, an infinitive is the base form of a verb, typically preceded by the word to. Examples include to run, to eat, to sleep, and so on. A split infinitive happens when an adverb or adverbial phrase is inserted between the to and the verb. For instance, to boldly go, or to quickly eat. The split infinitive has been a contentious issue in English grammar for centuries. Some argue that it's grammatically incorrect to split the to and the verb, suggesting that the adverb should come after the verb, such as to go boldly or to eat quickly. However, many modern linguists and style guides, including the American Heritage Dictionary and the Chicago Manual of Style, have argued that avoiding split infinitives can sometimes make sentences awkward or even change their meaning. So, while it's good to be aware of the debate, remember, it's often perfectly fine to split infinitives in English. Despite the leeway in using split infinitives, it's essential to avoid creating awkward or confusing sentences. A common mistake is using split infinitives that make sentences hard to read or understand. Bad example: I am trying to not get distracted. Better example: I am trying not to get distracted. The better example flows more smoothly and is easier to understand. Always prioritize clarity when deciding where to place your adverbs. The best way to master split infinitives is through practice. Try creating sentences using split infinitives, and then rewrite them without splitting the infinitive. See how the meaning and flow of the sentence changes. Remember, as long as the sentence is clear and understandable, you're on the right track. That wraps up our deep dive into split infinitives. While it's a somewhat controversial aspect of English grammar, it's also a great example of how the language can be flexible and adaptable. Don't forget, the ultimate goal of language is communication. As long as you're clear and understandable, feel free to boldly split those infinitives, or to split them boldly. Happy learning!